creating a home should be about more than just aesthetics. It should reflect your values, calm your mind, and welcome you. That's the beauty of cozy minimalism. It's about balancing simplicity and warmth. Imagine a home where every item sparks joy. That's cozy minimalism. It's about mindful living and intentional choices. Rooted in the Danish concept of hygge, embrace simple pleasures, a warm cup of tea, candlelight. Cozy minimalism embraces these values. Slow down, appreciate the present, and nourish your soul. Let go of the unnecessary for what truly matters. Decluttering is the first step to a cozy minimalist lifestyle. Clutter overwhelms, creating chaos and stealing peace. Start with one area, a junk drawer, countertop, or closet. Ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Does it bring joy? If not, let it go. Donate, recycle, or discard. Decluttering creates space for what truly matters. Once you've decluttered your space, think about strategic placement. Arrange belongings aesthetically and functionally. Create a cozy reading nook with a chair, side table, and throw. In the bedroom, prioritize a serene, clutter-free atmosphere. Use storage solutions to keep belongings organized. Utilize baskets, bins, and shelves. Choose storage that complements your decor. Every item should have a designated place. Section 4. Infusing warmth with cozy elements. Cozy minimalism is all about finding that sweet spot between simplicity and warmth. While decluttering and organization are essential, it's equally important to infuse your space with elements that evoke a sense of comfort and invitation. Think soft textures, warm lighting, and natural elements. Incorporate plush throws and cushions on sofas and armchairs. Layer rugs to add warmth and define different areas within a room. Choose curtains or blinds in natural fabrics like linen or cotton to filter light and create a sense of privacy. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy atmosphere. Opt for warm, ambient lighting rather than harsh overhead lights. Table lamps, floor lamps, and candles create a soft, inviting glow. Natural elements, such as houseplants, flowers, and branches, bring a touch of the outdoors in and add life to your space. Choose plants that thrive in your home's light conditions and complement your decor. Section 5. Quality over quantity, choosing timeless pieces. One of the hallmarks of cozy minimalism is a focus on quality over quantity. Investing in well-made, timeless pieces that stand the test of time is far more sustainable than filling your home with trendy items that quickly lose their appeal. When choosing furniture, opt for classic designs in neutral colors that can easily be incorporated into any decor style. Look for pieces made from natural materials like wood, leather, or wool, which add warmth and character to your space. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and finishes to create visual interest. For example, pair a sleek, modern sofa with a vintage rug or a rustic coffee table for a collected and eclectic look. Remember, your home should reflect your personal style and tell your unique story. Choose pieces that speak to you, spark joy, and will be cherished for years to come. Section 6. Cultivating calm with neutral colors and textures. Neutral colors are the foundation of a cozy minimalist palette. Think warm whites, soft grays, calming blues, and earthy greens. These colors create a sense of serenity and provide a versatile backdrop for your furniture and decor. Don't be afraid to incorporate pops of color through artwork, textiles, or accessories. A vibrant painting, a colorful throw pillow, or a vase of fresh flowers can add personality and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Texture is just as important as color when it comes to creating a cozy atmosphere. Layer different textures throughout your home to add depth and dimension. Combine soft, plush fabrics like velvet and faux fur with more rustic textures like linen, wool, or rattan. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and leather also add warmth and texture to a space. Consider incorporating these elements through furniture, flooring, or decorative accents. Section 7. Your cozy minimalist haven awaits. Creating a cozy minimalist haven is a journey, not a destination. It's about making mindful choices, letting go of what no longer serves you, and surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy. Start by decluttering one area at a time, Then focus on strategic placement and incorporating cozy elements. Choose quality over quantity when it comes to furniture and decor, and embrace a neutral color palette with pops of color and texture. Remember, your home is your sanctuary. It should be a reflection of your values, a place where you can relax, recharge, and connect with what truly matters. Embrace the principles of cozy minimalism and create a space that nourishes your soul. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment so I can know your thoughts and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more interior design topics.